13th of May today, and I've got the afternoon off work. So what I'm going to be doing today is adding on a row to the garden on this side. And I've got some cardboard and some dirt that my neighbor was nice enough to drop off, and I'm going to build on a row. Alright, so I've got the cardboard down, and next I'm going to go put on a row of compost on top of that. Okay, so I have a thin line of compost from my home composter on top of cardboard on top of grass. And for those of you just joining me, this is my lazy version of sheet mulching. I put a link in the comments to my whole video called How to Start a Garden the Easiest Way, and it shows how I use this technique to build this entire garden in a very short time. So I've got the dirt piled on top of the compost in this row here, and that dirt came from a person on my street that was digging a pool. My neighbor across the road was nice enough to bring me a load of the dirt. So the cost for me was nothing, but now that I'm saying that, I should go get him a case of beer for that. I just wanted to also mention the skies. I don't know if you can see this where you are, but where I am, the skies are just so beautifully clean and blue and clear. It's unbelievable. I've never seen skies like that in my life before. And one thing that I'm really hoping is that when this pandemic is over and it comes time to rebuild the economy, that humanity basically realizes that without nature there is no viable economy, and we need to incorporate an ethics of care for the ecosystems into our future, an ethics of care for all of humanity, all of the creatures, and our earth going forward. That I think would be best for everybody, and I'm gonna leave it there. So I just wanted to show you that this here is another little variety of beet from last year. This is the bull's blood, and I'm gonna hope for that to grow as well so that I can try to get some seeds out of that variety too. I've never actually thought to do this before because you know, it's good to support local farms. We have a really great local seed farm around here, Hawthorne Farm, that I normally order from. And like a lot of seed companies this year, they are experiencing shortages in supply because of the demand for seeds, which is great because people are growing their own gardening, which is why I'm making this video. But I guess the lesson that I take away from that is that seed shortages can happen, and it's best to be prepared on your own. And so that's why I'm going to mark that and leave it to grow and hope that I can get some seeds out of that variety as well. Just going to put a stick there so that I don't lose it, and that's it for now. So while I'm here, just a little update on the lettuce. The advantage of open pollinated seeds is that the seeds will germinate true. These are seeds that fell out of my lettuce last year that was growing right over there, and they've reseeded themselves, and they will be my lettuce crop for this year. So this is a seed potato. It's got little eyes that are growing already, and I've got this space here that I've cleared for it, and I'm just gonna lay these on top of the soil, and then I'm gonna cover them in dirt. Alright, so there is a shot where you can see I've just laid those potatoes right on the ground. That taller stake at the end there is another beet that I found down there, and then I've got a couple of stakes here with some other beets. So the next step is to cover this all with a big layer of dirt. Okay, so I've got the potatoes planted, hilled them up with a big pile of dirt. I've got my 3 stakes in where the beets are that I'm hoping are going to go to seed, and that's it for now.